Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your Honda Pilot garage door opener. First, make sure your Honda Pilot is parked safely outside your garage. Next, find the Home Link buttons, usually located on the overhead console. To begin, you'll want to clear any previous programming. Simply press and hold the two outer Home Link buttons simultaneously until the indicator light flashes rapidly, which typically takes about 20 seconds. This ensures a clean slate for new programming. Now, let's program your remote. Hold your garage door opener remote control 1 to 3 inches away from the Home Link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold both the desired Home Link button in your Pilot and the Open button on your garage door remote. Keep holding them until the Home Link indicator light begins to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing confirms that the signal has been successfully learned from your remote. For many garage door openers, you'll need to activate the Learn mode. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and press its Learn or Smart button. You'll typically have about 30 seconds to return to your Honda Pilot. Once back in your vehicle, firmly press and hold the desired Home Link button for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and release sequence up to 3 times to complete the training process. Finally, test your newly programmed Home Link button. Press it firmly and observe if your garage door opens or closes as expected. If it doesn't respond, don't worry. Simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a couple of tries to get it just right. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.